Have you ever stumbled across something online? Something that felt too real to be fake, too disturbing to ignore, and then suddenly it was gone? This is the story of one such video. A dashcam clip uploaded by a random driver, just 3 minutes long, and yet it revealed a truth no one was supposed to see. The video appeared on Reddit late one evening, posted to a subreddit for strange dashcam captures. The title, "I think I recorded a kidnapping," starts like any other drive. A rainy road, windshield wipers ticking, lo-fi radio hums in the background. The driver speaks softly. "I just dropped off a friend. Weird night. Nothing unusual," until a black SUV swerves in front of him. At first, it seems like just another reckless driver. But then the SUV brakes hard. 2 figures exit the back. Fast.